This Coldwell Banker Advantage property video is presented by Lindsay Skyder. Unique and spacious 2-story home with 4 bedrooms, 2 full baths, 1 half bath, main floor laundry and attached 2-stall garage. Much bigger than it looks from the outside. Basement is a wide open canvas with an included bar. Make this your full-time home or Lake's Getaway West / an additional lot included. Located very close to shops, snowmobile, ATV, golf, lakes, trap shooting, motocross, etc. Come to roam to explore. Just off of Lake Camelot and close to the boat landing. Enjoy deeded access with your Wellington Beach Club. Located on a quiet cul-de-sac with an extra lot included, surrounded by wooded bliss and nature, right off the back deck. For more information